Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Shelly Banks. We're on this channel. I hope that you can withdraw something great from me and deposit into you. I want to say thank you to our service men and women, but I want to give a special thanks to the Marines. And you guys, it is again Boxycharm time. Every month I bring you guys a video and a review of what I have received in my Boxycharm box. In this series, I'm starting to call it I would or I wouldn't, meaning would I pay the price for it or would I not, would I buy it. So let's get into this box for the month of February. I'm a little bit late because I realize it is March, but we're gonna do this anyway, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is my box for the month of February right here. It's just the base box this month. Next month, or for the month of March, it is going to be the quarterly Boxy Luxe, where the price goes up a little bit higher and you do receive a little more product at a little better price as well. So, well, I'll say a little higher price. But for the theme for this month's box was, of course, we know that it was February and Valentine's Day. So this is just has X's and O's, hearts, hugs and kisses. Let's get into this box. Okay, so one of the things that I received in my box for the month of February is the Trestique. This is the eye, this is a mascara and a eyeshadow pencil. Oh wow. And to be honest, I think we have seen this before. I know I have. I believe it was a lot smaller. But this is the mascara, and it has like the lash curler attached to it already. I'm just trying to see how down. Oh wow, flip down the curl, so it has like this little gadget. I'll turn it to the side so you guys can see. Lashes go here, pull this down, it's supposed to curl the lashes. I did not use it this time. This is the Good Vibes mascara. This is what the wand is looking like. I don't know. I might say it's a bit gimmicky. I don't think I ever used the one that I had before as of yet. So I can't really tell you guys if it's good or not. And then we also have a pencil in Santorini Black Sand. This is supposed to be a line, sharpen, and smudge eye pencil. Just a, you know, a roll up kohl pencil. Try to show you guys how. Oh, now that is really creamy and really dark and smooth. So I might actually like this. I'm not really aware of like black eyeshadow in my lower lash line, so as you guys can see, I don't have that on today. But it's worth a try, and we will see. This eye duo right here is since the MSRP is $44, and I wouldn't. No, I would not. I do want to point out that I think this is really cute though. This is not the actual pencil on the outside, but it just looks really cute. So that's that. I would not pay $44 for this because no, it's too many mascara eye pencil duos for prices that are way cheaper than that. So let's move on to the next thing that I received in the box. It is the St. Luxe limited edition liner duo. So we also have another liner duo. I think this one here is going to be a lip liner duo. And the packaging is not trying to work with me. Okay, so we have two colors here. that I think will work out for my skin tone. Oh, these look really creamy. That one's not bad, but I don't know how you're going to see that on my lips because it's pretty much the same color. And then there's like a deeper brown, which I really like that one. And this is what they look like. They are creamy. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna enjoy these. I think so. Let me tell you guys the names, because I'm sorry I didn't even tell you that. The one that is like the deeper brown is Secret Admirer. That's the name of that one. And then like the pinkish brown, which is just basically, that would be a nude lip. You could really probably fill your whole lip in with that. It is called Love Letter. Oh, how cute, for the month of February. And let me tell you guys the price of that. The MSRP on these, $40 for 2 lip pencils. I wouldn't. No, I would not. There's no way that I could, because I couldn't rightfully see myself paying $40 for 2 lip pencils. Like, no. Couldn't do it. Moving on, we have the Saturday Skin, and this is the Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. And this is the box on this one. Guys, we're not going to be here long at all today. I just wanted to show you guys what I got in this box. And this is what the actual packaging looks like out of the box. Now this packaging is pretty cool. I have not seen, has a little like slice of lemon on top. Oh, it comes with this little thing here, which you could scoop it out, scoop your mask out, and it's housed under this. And I really shouldn't open it. Oh. Smells really good. I'll let you see what it looks like on the inside. Now guys, this is pretty impressive to me because I can see that it's really jelly-like and looks like it's going to be pretty soothing to the skin, and that it just might turn it around for me. I'm excited to try this. Let's see what the MSRP on that is. The MSRP on this is $29. Now, would I pay $29 for this? Yes, I would, because it is a skincare product. And I do believe in investing in my skin. I will put the money to my skin, and especially, you know, for a jar that size, if it works and it really does help my skin out, $29 is petty cash. You know, that's worth it. The next thing in my box is the Glamour Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. So it came in a little like travel kit like this with glitter on the little package, and there are, let me see, there are 4 brushes in there. One of them I did use today to obtain my eye look that I'm wearing, and these are really cool, guys. Look at this. I mean, just to the aesthetics on this alone is just like so interesting. I really like it. It has the little floating hearts in the water. I think this brush was pretty good. I used it as a liner to line my upper lids today, and the other brushes, they do feel pretty soft. So I'm excited to have these along with the collection of brushes that I have, but I'm excited to have these. The MSRP on this is $29.95. Now, would I pay $29.95 for this? I'm gonna have to say I wouldn't, because there are so many more brushes that you can get. You can go to Amazon if you need a brush set, and you can, I believe I purchased, it might have been 18 or 20 brushes, and Enjoy. They were maybe $16, $17. You got like a little case, roll-up case that you can travel with, and they are really good brushes. They wash good, everything. I am not being sponsored by Amazon or that company of those brushes, but I did just want to say they are far better quantity for the price than those. So I would not pay $29.95 for those brushes. Set of 4. And the very last thing that I have in my box on today is the Ace Beauty. This is a nostalgia palette, in which I did use on my lids today to create this eye look. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what the palette looks like. It does have a mirror, very appreciative of that. And this is the eyeshadow palette. So guys, I must say that this has some very, very pretty colors in it. I really do like this eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna swatch a few of these, try to swatch a few of the colors that I used on today, and we'll see. This look, I mean, the pigmentation is there. It is there. Oh, that orange is very pretty. So this is what the shadows are looking like. Yes guys, I am loving this palette. I can see myself doing like multiple looks out of this palette right here. And the MSRP, very happy that I have it, by the way. The MSRP on it is $38.99. Now would I pay that for this palette? I'm a lover of eyeshadow palettes. I would pay that for this palette because I love eyeshadow palettes, and you know, that's just one of my things. I'm willing to spend on it as well. I will splurge and I will pay the price for the palette. So besides that fact, it is very pigmented. I know that I would get a lot of wear out of it, so it's absolutely worth the money. You guys, I thank you for stopping by today to watch this video with me and see what products that I received in my Boxycharm for the month of February. You guys can go, if you are not subscribed to Boxycharm, to receive a small box of makeup. Way to try it out every month. I love the fact that I get to try out new things for a fraction of the price with various products. I do love that about Boxycharm. Sometimes you get things you like, sometimes you get things that you're really not interested in, but you can always pass that on to somebody else. The base box, the price is $25.99 now, I believe, and the Boxy Luxe is $49.99. You guys, I thank you again. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, because if you are into makeup reviews, hair tutorials, or talks in general, and whatever's on your mind, this is the channel where you want to be at. Hit that subscribe button again before you go, and I will see you in the next one. And until next time, be blessed. Bye, YouTube.